Dear students, in the last section we have seen types of requirements. In this section we will see feasibility study. Is cancellation of a project is a good news or bad news? As per the IBM report, 31% project get cancelled before they are completed. 53% overrun their cost, means it requires the extra cost than the estimated cost. And from the 100 project there are 94 restarts, means the 94 project should start from scratch. Okay, so in spite of this, cancelling of a project is neither good nor bad. But if you are cancelling the project later in the software development life cycle, then it is a bad thing. If you are completed your project 60 to 70% and you are cancelling your project, then it is a bad thing. So the trick is to perform the minimum amount of work and then conduct the feasibility study. So one of the most effective ways is to conduct the feasibility study to determine whether the full scale project will work or not. And this study will generate the feasibility report, and that is given to all the people like the software developers as well as customers and upper management team, and they can take the decision about the project. Feasibility study is a time tested practice, but this is not widely used because of the term feasibility study, because the developer may think that this project is technically feasible, then it is no need to take the conduct the feasibility report. So feasibility depends upon non-technical issues like, are the project cost and schedule assumption realistic? Does the business model realistic? Is there any market for the product? Purpose of the feasibility study. A feasibility study is defined as an evaluation or analysis of the potential impact of a proposed project or program. So it is conducted to assess the decision maker in determining whether or not to implement our project or program, whether it is feasible in terms of cost as well as in terms of time as well as in terms of development team. So focus of the feasibility studies are, is the product concept is possible, viable means possible. Will it possible to develop a product that matches the project vision statements? What are the current estimated cost and schedule for the project? Then how big is the gap between the original cost and the scheduled targets? What is the difference between the original cost as well as the estimated cost? Is the business model for software is justified? How the major risk of the project has been identified and can be surmounted, means whether it is removed or crossover, is the specification is complete and stable. So these are the points that is used to focus on the feasibility studies. Okay, thank you so much.